Alright, what's going on, everybody? So basically I'm prefacing this video by saying I got some issues happening with my bags right now. We'll insert the clip on the screen so you guys can see it. What we got going on is my front passenger bag is kind of delayed with airing up, and the other day it completely wouldn't even work. It wouldn't let me air it up or let it out. So right now we're good to go. I got her slammed down on the ground right now, but I will put on the screen as well. I've been talking to the people at Airlift Performance, and they've been, kind of helping me out with the issue because I've even switched the lines around, and that one port that is bad is doing the same thing when I switch it to another bag. So I know that bag is okay. So I'm having basically manifold issues. So like I said, I'll put the email on the screen, and they wanted me to basically reset the system, update my firmware, and then recalibrate my whole system again, which I just did that. Trying to actually diagnose and fix the problem. After that, if they say it don't work still, I basically got to take out the air hose to that one port, basically let some air in for 5 seconds, let some air out for 5 seconds, and then do that like 10-15 times, and then try it again, and hopefully it'll work. If not, then I'm guessing they'll warranty me out, and then I'll have to get me another manifold. Manifolds are not cheap. Let me just say that manifolds are not cheap, and they do have a lifetime warranty, and my seal is still intact. It is not broken, so I don't have to worry about them actually replacing my manifold if I need to get a replacement. But I just was letting you guys know what was going on before the video gets started with me resetting my manifold and then doing all of that. So that was just prefacing everything, because it's been having the most issue with letting up from being all the way aired out. This actually all started happening after I actually went under there and tidied up my line. So I'm hoping I didn't mess anything up. But yeah, let me see if the car is going to raise itself up and or emulate the reason why I'm in contacts with Airlift Performance. And surely enough, the one time I'm trying to show you guys, basically it lifting up everywhere else except for the front passenger, it works like it's nothing wrong. So I'm gonna keep on working it like it is. Hopefully everything is good to go. But yeah, that was prefacing the whole email situation. So we'll see. Whenever I get some more time, I'll go ahead and go through all the steps, update that firmware, recalibrate, and hopefully I won't be having to make a video like this again. Alright, manifold is done. Update complete. Just gonna save to exit. Now I'm gonna set it back up and hopefully get it recalibrated, and we'll be working. I'm watching about how the Hop Tour girl got sued. Just updated my firmware, recalibrated.